Whoa! Okay, we're at that
crap.
person.
Okay. Need to get to the bus. So we need to get to the bus though. Come on.
Yeah, I'm
I'm
coming.
gonna be the driver. I'm gonna be the driver.
Wait, where's Boogie Smalls?
Angel, come on, hurry up. Hey.
I'm gonna sit at the back because, you know, that's where the cool kids sit.
Yep. Alright. You ready?
If ready means going home, then ready.
Hi.
Push him out! Push him out! Push him out!
Luna, you don't belong here. This is where the cool kids sit.
Oh, get him out! Get him out! Get him out!
I'm a cool kid.
Last time I checked, you're
No,
not.
no, 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 no! Get in your seat! Get in your seat! Get in your seat! No, 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 no! Get in your seat!
Okay, okay.
Get in the seat!
Ning, go faster. He's getting into a car.
What?
Go, go, go.
Wait, Angel, it's not working. It's not working. Get out. Just check if the wheel's broken. Get out. Check if the wheel's broken.
I don't see anything.
Oh, Angel,
What happened? Where are we?
Angel, I'm sorry I run you over, okay? Okay, I'm sorry I run you over. I got into his house, alright?
Where is he?
I don't know. What's that sound? Okay, well, it doesn't matter. We're safe for now anyway, okay? Are you sure?
run!
Go, 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 go! Down the street! Down the street! Oh crap! No!
Listen, Luna, I'm sorry. Go!
Would you like potato with salt?
Yeah, I love potato and salt, actually. Why do you become so crazy? It's only potato and salt. It's only potato and salt, Luna.
What did you say?
It's only potato and salt.
What did you say?
It's only potato and salt. You're not gonna die from it, are you?
More than that. Come here!
Ning, what did you do to my best friend, you monster?
Isn't it obvious I killed him, you dingus brain?
What are you on about, bruv?
What are you talking about?
Oh, please, no.
Aren't you even
Whoa. Whoa. Oh, my head. Oh. Did I actually die? What's this? Am I dead? Where's Ning? Is Luna still on Earth? I'm so confused. Ning? Is that Ning? Is that Luna? I don't know. I'm so scared right now, guys. Ning? Ning, are you alright? Ning, wake up. Why have you got a staff that looks like hell? What the hell's happening here?
His time has come.
Who's trying?
God's given us another chance. I've stolen his weapon, he's stolen ours. Let's go get it back.
So our aim
Let's
of
go
the game
end
to get in the
the
weapon
Smiler.
back. Okay, let's go tell
Smiler
them.
has it.
And the Smiler's Luna, I'm guessing.
Always been.
That mentions why there's a red gate over there. Okay, let's just go, I guess.
Yep.
Are we dead?
No, not necessarily. We got given a second chance by God.
So where are we?
We're in heaven. Now we're on Earth.
Okay, well, guess it's not time to be afraid and so kill Luna, I guess. Even though I don't know, he saw our friend at the end of the day, I guess, or was our friend. But I guess we gotta go save the world again. Like our ancestors did.
Let's go.
Yeah, right behind you. Luna? Smiler? Hey, let's go make the Smiler smile, shall we?
Time to
Hey,
smile.
Smiler, what's wrong with your face? You ain't got a smile on it today.
Oh my gosh. I've been waiting here for like 6 hours. What took you so long?
You ain't got a smile on your face today by the look of it. You look quite dull today. Let's go. Let's fight.
Oh crap!
Ning!
Oh!
Whoa!
Please! Please don't do this! No!
Let's go. Let's beat it.
What do you think you're on?
I did it. The hell weapon. Hold on. There we go. Ning! I did it! We can go back to Earth somehow, but I don't know where you are right now, so better go find you. Bye! What was that?
Angel!
Let's go.
You're never gonna go home. That's the thing.
Huh?
Just drop the weapon. Just trust me.
Let's go.
Good.
Let's go beat some. Where's my
Now I can tell
weapon?
you.
Why?
Bye bye.
Yep. Alright, let's go.